Okay, so our first stop here in Victoria Falls is at the big tree. It's a big boab, and I'm going to show you guys right now. Here is the big tree. It's so beautiful. I'm an earth sign. I absolutely love nature, trees, animals. It's phenomenal. Wow, this tree is 1,200 years old plus. Wow, look at all these stats. Upside down tree that is a name originated from its branches that looks like the roots of a tree.
Oh, there's a guy under there, 1925.
Wow.
Right under Justin there at 1930.
Wow, this is incredible. Hey guys, what do you think of the tree?
It's a fabulous old boab tree.
Yeah.
And it's 1,200 years old.
Yeah.
There's carvings in here from people from 1925, I see.
Wow.
1930.
Crazy. So I'm right in front of the beautiful boab tree. It is so spectacular. It's so old. And there's the hubby. And we're going to walk over because he's going to tell you some stats.
So this is the biggest tree and oldest tree in Africa, apparently. And they've dated it based on 1,200 years because that's the oldest inscription that people have actually carved into the tree. So they figure this tree is about 2,000 to 2,500 years old in actuality, which is insane.
That is really crazy.
So
and then right in front here is a market. We're going to walk over in a moment and I'll show you guys the market. There's some local people from Zimbabwe selling their beautiful art and little things that they've carved out of the wood here. So I'm going to turn this around and I'll show you the market. Wow.
Yeah, these are stone carvings.
Amazing. So you made all of those things?
Yes, I do make.
Can I put you in my video?
No problem.
This is David. He made all of these things here.
Yes, I'm the artist.
An artist. Wow. Must get hot out here all day.
Yeah, it's getting hotter.
Yeah.
It's really getting hotter. Yeah, this is the old Zimbabwean money that
Old
we're using
Zimbabwe
before.
money. Wow.
Yeah, these are billion money. This is 50 billion.
Wow, 50
We
billion.
have got the 20 billion.
Wow.
We've got the 10 billion. I was a billionaire before.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a bunch of billion.
Wow, that's
online
really
things,
cool.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And this one is a listed one. That's a $1.
Oh, wow.
That's a $1.
Neat. About to get in. We have umbrellas because they do spray a lot when you're walking and you want to stay dry, your camera wear. So our guide is just waiting to let us into, I guess, the park, and then we're going to go for a nice long walk and see the beautiful Victoria Falls. And I think it's one of the wonders of the world, if I'm not mistaken. So the fauna and flora, these are the animals and critters we're going to see when we walk, hopefully.
Come across these animals. All right.
And there's Puma.
This is the Victoria. The difference between the two being on the upper Zambezi, the river is wide and it's got less depth compared to the lower Zambezi. When you go to the lower Zambezi now, all the water is quite into a narrow channel. All the 16 points from point number 1 to point number.
Now we're walking to the first checkpoint because from checkpoint 1 to 16 is about a 2-kilometer walk. So we're just walking to get there. All of us in our umbrellas. It's getting misty in here. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get, but we're gonna try our best because we don't want to get any sprays on the lens. So the camera's probably all full of water right now, but Vic Falls is right behind. I'm gonna turn it around and show you guys Vic Falls. Chris! To a point where it's not crazy mist, but oh my gosh, it's incredible. So we're gonna come and show you guys how spectacular the falls are here. Wow. When you come see Vic Falls, you get soaked. So my feet, you can't even tell in these pants, but they are totally wet. My shoes are soaked. That's okay, it's all part of the experience. And we've been walking now for probably about 1.5 kilometers along this beautiful trail and seeing different parts of Victoria Falls, as you've seen throughout this vlog. But it's absolutely spectacular seeing this amazing wonder of nature and how much spray. If it was sunnier, we'd had a rainbow, but it's a bit overcast, so we missed the rainbow. But it's epic. So here's another little section of the falls. All mist. It's so beautiful.
That's nice of you.
Yeah.
Got a lot of action.
Little springs down here.
Yeah.
Everyone, what, Chris? You keeping the Prada dry?
Trying to keep the Prada dry.
So mesmerizing. Look at the island here. Wow. So here's another amazing view of Vic Falls, that little island at the top. And this really pretty little channeling waterway here. So we're walking down this really cool little staircase. I know, yeah, I'm being careful. And it's so neat, as you can see behind. And I'm gonna turn this around. This is another like viewing point of the falls. And there's Daniel. I feel like we're like totally in the rainforest right now. Look at these steps. Daniel! Woo! What do you think of Vic Falls?
Vic Falls is absolutely awesome. Look at that view there.
statue doubt?
This is Mr. David Livingstone.
David Livingstone.
Yes, the guy was born in 1813 back in England. He was trained to be a medical doctor, a missionary, and an anti-slavery champion.
Wow.
Right, 1855 he thought to come to Africa and spread Christianity to the local people.
Great.
Right, when he was here, he forgot his mission, and then he fell in love of the Zambezi River. So he explored the river twice, from the source to the mouth.
So you can probably hear the falls behind me. I have my little voice canceller, so I'm not sure how this footage is going to sound, but the falls make such an amazing thundering noise, and they're absolutely amazing. I highly recommend, if you are in Zimbabwe, to go check out Victoria Falls. It's something to see, 100%, you got to see it. And I think we're just going to continue walking and then carry on to lunch. So we'll see you guys at lunch. driving back, and there's these Ellies that are fighting. There's one, and the other one's in the bush trying to fight. Alright guys, so that takes us to the end of this vlog, and it takes us to the end of my Africa vacation series. If you want to watch the rest of my videos, if you haven't seen them, they'll be linked here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.